I'll throw a football.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Are you recording? Alright. I'm gonna throw a football! Yeah! Okay, that time I really did get football tackle.
Were you a linebacker at one point in your life?
No, I grew up playing tackle football. So did I. I never played touch tag until I was yours. And then oh shit!
All I heard was,
You look retarded.
Alex, go get your bucket.
Alex, hooray for surprise butt sex.
Alex, get your bucket.
What? Go get your bucket.
It's right there.
Throw it over here.
You gotta see this. We were doing this for last.
Oh. I like our blue string still
I
here.
kind of do.
Blue string.
I'm not growing out a handlebar.
Throw it out and then dye it green.
Oh, never mind.
Oh yeah, I ate the Incredible Hulk's pussy out. Hooray. Okay.
Well, that's good.
This is hilarious.
It actually was.
Until somebody pushes it under.
I knew that was coming because I heard Patrick actually did. Go under, damn it!
Holy crap!
There we go.
Okay, now I can't breathe. Ah, thank you much.
Oh, fuck.
Flip cotton now. Flip cotton now.
Damn it, he had it up straight. That's why I didn't do it. Should have pushed it at an angle.
Fucking head.
Oh, yeah.
You guys want to know something fucked up? I'm a German invading the shore.
Did you hear him? Please tell me you heard him.
Yep. Why is it that every time you jump on him, he's almost out of the screen?
Counter attack.
Nine!
You kick him?
You okay?
That make her throw up.
That's
Oh, good.
Let's see, she smashed my face with a bucket, busted my lip with a bucket again. She drowns me when I have a bucket on my head.
I inhaled water.
So you don't breathe when you see me running at you.
I was trying to
I know when you feel the force of push, you hold your breath. Like Michaela, she seems to like to take a breath when the water gets around her.
Are you enjoying this?
You have a big ass fly on you.
Very much. It just got to the bit. I'm good.
Maybe. Dun, 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 dun.
No splashy back, Patrick and Sammy.
I'm Jewish. Mazel tov.
My eyes are open.
Well, maybe when you see her coming at you, you should close your eyes.
I don't know why, but I can only remember my big school and my
You're now hunting Jews with me. Accept your mission or die.
Why am I wearing
Pinch his nipples and he goes right down to the cow.
Or Tim just tackled the shit out of him.
I don't know, maybe it's better.
Great like Taliban.
Okay, this lake is flooding. I'm gonna fix this shit. Okay, we've got to get all the water to one side of the lake because this side's too full. And it's not working! God damn it! Too much water! Too much water!
Oh, fuck that. We're throwing one.
Oh, you happy? Okay, that's what I thought. I kind of had myself covered. Thank you, though.
Look.
know how a German says... Patrick, let me give you a little explanation.
Really?
What?
You want to know how a German says hello to a Jew?
Oh god.
Here's an action one talking. It has a bucket of gasoline. This one's from Hitler, bitch!
I'm not Jewish.
That we know of.
Oh, it's cellar.
What are you doing?
Trying to catch a fish.
My little helmet.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, fuck you, you fat ass wastewater.
Oh, God.
Oh, that's a plane. You can come the fuck off with this little...
Cody face.
Poor heavy ball. Poor crotch.
Did you get your nuts castrated?
Our
How
cast.
do you like it, you plane?
What?
Talking to the plane. There's a plane way out there.
Oh.
Yeah, fuck you, plane. Shove my dick in your jet engine.
That's what he kept saying all night.
Oh, I know. I was standing right next to him. Kim didn't hear it though.
I think the most funniest one out of it.
Damn fish.
Are you going down the elevator?
There's one right there.
Wait.
Pick something up.
Right there.
I left my...
Where'd Alex go? Oh.
I don't know.
You know what? Fuck you guys. I'm going down the stairs. You guys are assholes. I'm going down the stairs. You guys are always dicks to be like... Ow! I just got punched in the face.
With the boob?
No, with a fist. Ow.
Oh.
That shit's not pleasant. Fucking lake water, man.
At least you're not dying like Christian was.
Oh, yeah.
That was funny.
I want to eat fish.
No.
I shall take it, I shall put it on a stick, and I shall eat it.
Are you swimming now?
Right.
With the bucket?
Yes, for some odd reason I keep rotating.
Just 'cause you're weird.
Oh no, the Titanic is